Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Today let's make a tea shop snack known as Sukhiyan. Let's check into the ingredients. We need 5 tablespoons of wheat flour. Usually it's made with maida, but here I'm using wheat flour. Then 2 tablespoons grated coconut, 2 tablespoons grated jaggery, 1 tablespoon rice flour, a pinch of turmeric, half cup soaked moong dal. I have soaked it overnight. We need some oil, salt and water. Now into a pressure cooker, let's add the soaked moong dal, little water and salt. Here I am adding half cup of water. Mix it well and pressure cook it for 1 whistle on high flame. The boiled moong dal should be soft, but it shouldn't be mushy. So next, into a bowl, let's add the wheat flour, rice flour and the turmeric powder and make it into a batter, adding water. Add some salt. The batter should be of a dosa batter consistency. Now heat a pan. Add the boiled moong dal. Add grated jaggery and grated coconut. If the jaggery is not of good quality, it will have some dirt, so it's better to melt and filter it and then add to the mixture. So now I am adding coconut, jaggery, boiled moong dal and I am just frying it. This forms the stuffing, so let's saute them until the jaggery melts and we get a slightly wet mixture. I'm mashing it a little bit. Now let's switch off the flame and transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool for some time. Once it cools down, let's make balls out of it. Here I am making bite-sized balls. Actual Sukhiyan are of bigger size. So here I have got 7 balls out of half cup moong dal. I have kept the batter and the moong dal balls ready. Meanwhile, let's heat a pan and add oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, let's dip each balls into the batter and fry them. Coat them well. The batter shouldn't be too thick, then we'll get a very thick coating. Fry the remaining balls. The flame should be on medium and the oil should be hot. We need not fry it for too long, we just need to fry until we get a light golden color on the cover. We have already cooked the stuffing. So now you can see it's all turned golden color. So let's transfer it into a plate. Now our healthy tea shop snack Sukhiyan is ready. Try this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and please share your comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest.